All right, today we're going to bring a trailer hitch. Now, this one has different settings for different types of vehicle that you're going to be pull. In fact, they give you the description here, all right? This is 2.5 on -16, all right? 1-7, 8 inches. And of course, you got the 2-inch, all right? Now, this system itself can go into two different ways. So if you have a lower vehicle, you could even flip it over to the top, right? Instead of the bottom, like it's supposed to be this way, you always flip it over for those cars that are... I seen actually cars with hitch, and they're so low, I don't even know how they pull stuff. So this might be something for you guys. So we're going to set it up today, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first of all, we're going to talk about it. It comes with a lock, including with the keys, including with the actual locks for the hitch, and rubber gaskets. These are for, it won't rattle into your, when you're driving, it won't make that rattle noise. You could you could add these in there and it won't move, it won't shake, and it keeps it pretty much content where it's going to be at. So they give you the two little different connections that you're going to require for the hitch. If you guys can see, there's two of them that you're going to need. So heavy duty instead of one. So we're going to set this up today and see how it works. All right, step number one is make sure you have the keys. This is going to either, you're going to put your gaskets in here so it won't rattle. This is important. That's optional. You got two entries, all right? We're going to do one entry first. And this is so they won't steal it. We're going to set this up. Now, you have a couple options here. Depending on which way do you want to go, up, down. You could, if this has a rail, you could go all the way up. You could rotate it to the direction that you want, all right? But there's two entries you have to set up, all right? So for example, we're gonna do one, we're gonna do two halves, all right? There's one entry. There's a pin for it. Secondary, this is safety. But I would recommend you can go the opposite way too, so the pins won't interfere, all right? So pin goes on the other side. You guys can see it's an optional. You got the pins on both ends, on both sides, but we have this set up here, big bulky area, so in case they're gonna hit the car, they hit it here. You got different levels that you could set up, all right? Different levels, 2 and 3. There's 3 levels, all right? And like I said, you can rotate this to the opposite end. So we're gonna rotate this so how easy it is, all right? Take the pin off. That's the other pin. One pin goes down. And rotate this way. Get the pins. You want to lower it down? We can lower it down too. That's one pin. And right now, just for demo, we're not going to put the pins. But you can see you can rotate this either direction, and it's very sturdy. So you can put the pins at the end. And if you want to put some of the plastics, you can do that too, so it won't rattle, all right? One pin, 2 pins, and then you can set the pins up here too. So, very sturdy, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy this video.